Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 110. We are on Unit 10. So this is Lesson 7, Functional Language. Activity 1, look at the 3 pictures. Write about this story. Write 20 or more words. Use the phrases in the box to tell your story. So already try to 1. So a strange thing happened. Then guess what? Suddenly, you won't believe this, but so based on these 3 pictures, you will need to write your own story. So this is just suggested answer. So I give you now. So a strange thing happened. So if you take a look at this picture here, so she dig the dirt. So a strange thing happened as we dig the dirt. Then guess what? We found an old map. Suddenly, we discover a hidden treasure. You won't believe this. But we outsmarted the pirates and found it first. Okay, next we go to the checkup challenge. So this is word search. Circle 8 words in the word search. Then complete the sentences with the words. So number 1, we have this smart here. We left another 7. So the second one, as you can see here, cafeteria. And we have this clue. And we have flow. And we have south. And then we have robbery. And then we have surface. And then the last one, suspect. So next we just fill in the blanks. So number 1, pupils often have to wear a uniform to look smart for school. The second one, the NASCAR lines are pictures of the earth. So number 2 is surface. And number 3, rivers usually into the sea. So this is flow. And number 4, finding a can help you solve a crime. So this is clue. And number 5, someone stole £1 million in a bank yesterday. So in a bank robbery. And number 6, my school has a, so I have lunch there every day. So we have this cafeteria. Number 7, the police think this man broke into the house. He's the main, so this is suspect. And the final one, the opposite of north is the south. So that's it for this page. So we are on this year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 110. So if you are okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.